Hey, what is up, everyone? My name is Nowonshall. I usually do videos on video games such as Star Trek Fleet Command. I'm usually a variety streamer, but in this video, I'm going to be taking a look at a device for the 3D printers, which I believe, in my opinion, is a game changer, which will help you guys. Well, it'll help you guys get clogs out quickly. But before we actually jump into the video, before we actually get into it, don't forget to like, that subscribe, that bell notification down below. Remember, below that, go check out all my content. And, well, let's get in the video. Let's actually see what device we're actually looking at. So, I reached out to NoClogger, which they kindly sponsored this video, well, gave me the product, so I could test it out for you guys. So, they have no influence on this, but I wanted to test out the product for you guys since I've been doing a lot of 3D printing since I own a Anycubic Cobra and a heavily modified Ender Pro 3. Which I believe have clogs in them right now, and I'm heating the Ender up right now so we can test the product, and I'm going to heat this one up because I think both of them do have clogs in them, so this is a perfect timing for it, so I can actually get it because I think they're under extruding due to the clog and causing issues with a lot of my prints. There's weird stuff that's been happening which wasn't there before, and I really don't like that. So let me show you the product. It's very simple, very easy. Remember, in the bottom of the description of the video, there is going to be a link to the product so you guys take a look at it. And it's an affiliate link, so I make a little off of it. So if you guys want to support the channel, that's one way. But let's take a look at the product. So the NoClogger is very something simple. So it is a small tool like this, very simple. They 3D printed this piece right here, the handle. 3D printed this piece, and this is a piece of metal. You can totally modify yourself according to their instructions. You can cut it, sand it at a 45-degree angle. Boom, that's done. Which is kind of really cool that actually gave that to it until you can modify the product. It's a very simple one made in the US of A, and I think it's one product you're going to need in your arsenal for when you're 3D printing, because a lot of us do 3D print a lot, and a lot of it does happen to get clogged or happen to get jammed. And I've had an extruder get clogged before, or well, a hot end get clogged before, and it was a total loss. I didn't want to sit there for hours on end getting through it, trying to push through it and do all that, because it is annoying to try to get through a clog. I just opted to buy a new hot end, so I got a combo, which was the Ender hot end with upgraded hot end on it, and a direct drive component, which just the extruder on top of it. Yeah, but in general, this product is very interesting, and I'll show you the test it out. I'll show you what my feelings or my reviews on it. So I'm heating this one up already. I'm going to heat this one up next, and I'll show you guys it from a different angle. So we'll go take a look at it in a minute or a second as these things heat up. So I'll be right back in a quick second. All right, guys, we're back with it. So my Ender 3 is ready to go, and I am starting to heat up my Anycubic Cobra right now. So we'll do the Ender 3. So what you need to do when you have this product is clear the chamber out. So you take your filament out. Boom, got the filament out of the Ender, so we got that out. And remember, when you finish it, cut a 45-degree angle on your filament. But now we have nothing left in it, so we're gonna take the NoClogger, send it down. So we're gonna push it down in, and we're gonna send it in. As we're pushing some through, make sure there's nothing pushing through on it. Boom. Boom, as you see right there. We got some filament out. You're supposed to use to clean it, but man, that's too hot. So I'm going to take a rag, or just wipe it on the table for now. So you see, it is stuck on it. They advise using a knife to get it off, and that's probably the best idea. But that's really simple to get the stuff off. I'm just gonna try using some sandpaper quickly to get it off, which this is formed perfectly for our devices that we use them on a daily. And I'm gonna show you guys me putting the, well, I'm gonna show you guys me pulling the filament back in. So let's take the filament, run it back, cut out an angle as we usually do. Boom, and send it back through your extruder. And let's see if we can get it in the first try, because sometimes my extruder doesn't like me. And you see there, filament coming out nice and smooth coming out of it, as you guys see. Bam, that is awesome. See, hot filament, and it's sticking to me like a spider web. Awesome. We'll cool this back down. Put on a cooldown. That one's unclogged. Let's get on to the next one, which is gonna be my Anycubic Viper, and I just lost the device. Oh, there it is. So we're gonna do it the next one. My Anycubic's pretty simple. It automatically heats it up to a desired temperature for removal, so it's really simple to remove it on these. So it automatically backs it out, sets it to 230, which I do love. Boom, got it out. Let's wrap it back up. Since it's already at 230, we're gonna take the device and then send it on through. Yeah. There we go. I had a little filament still on there, so we're gonna take the device, send it through, push the remainder of the filament out, do one more run, make sure there's nothing left in there, pop it back out. As you see here, still some in there, which is a quick, easy fix. This device is really cool, to be honest, and I'm gonna keep using it to get these clogs out, because I do enjoy 3D printing, and I've been having, like I said, issues with clogging lately, and this is one of the ones that have been annoying me and everything else, because I don't want to sit there with that little tool and dig it all out and actually start digging it slowly out, when I could just use a device such as this, just to pop it in there, a few minutes, boom, done. So on the website, it advises you to get your temperature up to 230, 240 and push it through. And that's what you do. You push it through and then pop, 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 cleans out your hot end, and you don't have any more issues with it. And if it comes back again, go through it again. Which I think is cool about this is made in the USA. It actually it's 3D printed, which is cool. Like I showed you guys earlier, it's 3D printed here, 3D printed here. Got the metal end, which you can cut with some I think they said chain cutters or something like that, and then sand it to a 45-degree angle, because this is at a 45-degree angle. Makes it easier to get in. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go check out the link I listed down below for the product, because I am very excited about it. I think it's very awesome, and I hope you guys do like the video. I'm going to try to do more of these type of videos, so this is one item that I think you need in your arsenal. All right, guys, it is Nowonshall signing off. Don't forget to like, that subscribe, that bell notification down below or below that. Go check my links out. I have plenty of links. Got campsite, link tree, whatever you want to call it down below, that gives you a hit up to my TikTok, which is my main 3D printing area, and gives you a hit up to all my donation links and my Amazon. All right, guys, it is Nowonshall signing out. Have a wonderful day.